Hey everyone! Today I'll show you how to create a clean, modern, and fully ATS-friendly resume using just Google Docs. If you've ever sent out a resume and never heard back, this video might explain why. ATS systems can be brutal, but don't worry. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make your resume pass them with ease. And stick around till the end. I'll give you a free Google Docs resume template plus a bonus checklist you can download instantly. All right, let's jump in. Step 1, set up your font. All right, the foundation, fonts. Most people overthink this, but ATS systems are actually pretty picky. Go with something simple and clean like Roboto, Helvetica, or Arial. I'm using Roboto Regular, size 10 point, perfect balance between readability and space. Cool, that's going to be our base font. Step 2. Page setup. Let's take a moment to prepare the page before we start. Go to File, Page Setup. Here you'll see your margins. If you're using A4, keep it in centimeters. If you're in the US, switch to letter. I'll set all margins to 1.5 centimeters. Neat, consistent, and recruiter approved. Looks good, let's move on. Step 3. Header, name, and position. Now, the very top, your personal headline. Type your full name, make it bold and big, around 30 point. Then right below, add your job title. For example, Digital Marketing Specialist. Quick trick, search for uppercase in the toolbar and make it all caps. Immediately looks more professional. Now let's make the name and job title stand out a bit more. Go to the font settings at the top, find Roboto, and change the weight to semi-bold for your name. That'll give it a strong, professional look. Do the same for your job title, but this time choose medium. It keeps the balance and looks cleaner visually. And one more tweak, go to line spacing and set it to 1.15. That's the golden ratio between tight and airy. All right, the top part's looking clean. Step 4, contact information. Next, let's drop in your contact info, LinkedIn, email, phone, city. Google Docs will automatically turn links into clickable blue text. But for ATS resumes, that's actually bad news. So highlight each one, click Remove Link. We want plain text only. No hyperlinks, no weird formatting. Then align it to the left and make it bold for readability. All right, now that looks professional. Step 5, let's move on to the professional summary section. I type in the title, then go to the top left search bar. As you can see, the uppercase setting from before is still active, which makes formatting much quicker. Next, I apply semi-bold so the title stands out. Now let's add a subtle divider line under the header. I press Enter twice to create some space, then place the cursor at the end of the title. In the top menu, I go to Format, Paragraph Styles, Borders and Shading, select Bottom Border, and click Apply. Perfect. Now we have a clean line under the header. Okay, now let's fill in the professional summary. Quick tip from HR pros, don't make it too long. Keep it punchy and show off your results with numbers and percentages. That's what really makes recruiters sit up and notice. Step 6, professional experience. Okay, time for the core part, professional experience. This section sells you. To avoid typing everything from scratch, you can copy the previous block and duplicate it several times. All right, let's rename this section to professional experience. Next, enter your position and company. Please note, there is an empty space on the right. This is where we will put the dates. Place the cursor at the end of the position title, right-click on the top ruler, and select Add Right tab. The ruler appears, and now we can align the dates evenly. Press Tab, the cursor jumps to the right, enter the date, and drag the slider to the right edge. Great. Everything looks neat and professional. All right, so far so good. Next up, let's make your experience readable. Nobody wants to see walls of text. Select your job descriptions, click Bulleted List. Pro tip, hold Control or Command, plus click the bullet to change the style, but honestly, stick with simple round bullets. ATS bots hate fancy symbols. Nice, this already looks like a real resume. All right, now let's add the rest of the points. While I'm doing this, a quick tip from HR pros. 83% of recruiters say they are more likely to interview candidates who use specific numbers and results in their resumes. This could be a percentage increase in sales, money saved, or reduced time to complete tasks. These metrics make your experience more convincing and stand out to recruiters. Quick lifesaver tip. When you paste text from Notes, Word, or anywhere else, it often messes up your fonts and spacing. To fix that, paste using Ctrl plus Shift plus V or Command plus Shift plus V on Mac. That keeps your formatting clean and consistent. Trust me, saves tons of editing later. Alright, now let's move on to the certification section. Here's where you can show your credibility. All those courses, licenses, and certificates that prove your skills. Keep it short and clean, like this. Google Ads Search Certification, HubSpot Inbound Marketing, Meta Certified Digital Marketing Associate. No need to list every course you've ever taken, just the ones that actually support your target role. Step 8. Skills section. Finally, let's add a skills section. List your top tools, platforms, and strengths. Stuff that matches your target role. Keep it clean and grouped, like marketing tools, analytics, design, etc. Awesome. Your layout is done, and that's it. You've just built a fully ATS-friendly resume in Google Docs. From scratch, no templates, no fluff. To save it properly, File, Download, PDF document, .pdf. That's the best format for online applications. And as promised, you can download this exact template for free along with a bonus checklist to make things even easier. To get it, just follow the link to my LinkedIn post, it's in the description, and comment ATS under it. I'll personally send you the link. If you don't have a LinkedIn account, no worries, there's also a Google form link in the description. Just leave your email and you'll automatically get the template plus checklist. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out my Etsy store for more high-quality resume templates for Google Docs and Word. Good luck with your job search. You've got this.